Good afternoon, everyone. I'd like to welcome you back to this page again. This afternoon, I'm not taking the 213, but I would like to tell us the future of secretarial work, embracing AI and automation. What does that mean? And we want to look at some things on that. The presentation map, sadly, the introduction, what exactly artificial intelligence is all about, the role of secretaries in modern workplace, AI tools, benefits of AI, challenges that secretary face along, especially these times of AI, then the future of secretary or secretarial work in times like this, conclusion, then on the page, if you like to check some question. In the swiftly evolving digital era, technology has not just advanced, it has skyrocketed. Not just advanced this time around, skyrocketed, continuously reshaping our lives with every passing year. You can see today that everywhere, everybody is mentioning AI, AI. And this has affected mostly some workers in their professions, some, and it has created the phobia, the technological phobia. That are we going to cope? At the head of this technological revolution is AI, artificial intelligence. That's so impactful that has woven itself into the fabric of our daily existence. What is AI? That is artificial intelligence. AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines, enabling them to perform tasks that typically require of human intellect or effort. This intelligence system can perform tasks that typically require by human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision making, and language translation. Some of us can be surprised or must not surprised when you hear some voices that people will be talking or imitating human being as maybe exactly as the person. No, this is the work of AI. Then what is intelligence? Intelligence can be referred to the ability to learn or understand from experience. At the same time, we can say intelligence is the ability to acquire and retain knowledge. At the same time, we can refer to intelligence as the ability to respond quickly and successfully to a new situation. At the same time, we can also say intelligence is the ability to use reason to solve problems. In quote, it requires analytical, critical intelligence there. If intelligence is learning, understanding, retaining, responding, and using reason, then what is AI? That will take us to what AI is all about. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science which is concerned with the study and creation of computer systems that exhibit some forms of intelligence. We can even say that artificial intelligence, there are characteristics which we associate with intelligence in human behavior. It can also say that artificial intelligence, in quotes, is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. At the same time, we can say artificial intelligence is the transfer of human intelligence to machine. Quote, summarily, artificial intelligence is the transfer of human intelligence to machines. That takes us to history of AI. We have so many history, Gone are those days we have fourth generation computer, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, fifth generation. Now is artificial intelligence. When we are talking about this artificial intelligence, we are talking about the neural networks that started from 1950 to 1970s. Then the second one, machine learning, from 1980 to 2010. Then deep learning, that is today. That is today. That's today. That is deep learning. We are talking about the history of artificial intelligence. I try to simplify it. You see it in my slide. Neural network from 1950 to 1970s. In the mid 20th century, key figures like Helen Turing and John McAtee started the journey of AI, and it proposed the concept of a machine that could simulate any human intelligence activity. That introduced the Turing test to evaluate machine intelligence. That's 1950 to be precisely. Then move on to that of the 1956. Not only that, when you are talking of the machine learning that started from 1980s to 2010, it talk about the expert system. This expert system era saw the creation of expert system, which were computer programs designed to emulate the decision-making abilities to decide for human being. Actually, it's a machine that's programmed into human being, but notwithstanding, it taught that expert system, it can, it can take decision on behalf of human being, and it gives some kind of knowledge that human being also can render. Then when it goes to that of the 1990 and 2000s, machine learning, it tries to improve on what expert learning has built on. And that one, during this period, advancement in machine learning allowed computers to learn from data and improve over time without even using being explicitly programmed. This was a major leap forward against that expert system. And the kind of improvement also when it goes to deep learning. This deep learning is a subset of machine learning that give us advancement in that of the 2000. It built on what the other one has already built, that from that of the 2010 to 2050, 2010. This deep learning is a subset of machine learning. Is very, it has a kind of characteristics and quality than that of the machine learning and that of the expert learning. This deep learning gives some modality on how to understand more about the work of this artificial intelligence in terms of taking decision, work like human being, think for human being, take some action and activities like human being. So this deep learning, the progress in deep learning during this period was driven by the availability of large data sets, enhanced computation power, and innovations in algorithm, leading to significant breakthrough across various AI applications. These are bring a kind of knowledge, a kind of improvement, a kind of advancement that human that can imitate or simulate what human being also can do. Don't forget, I said artificial intelligence is a machine that imitates or acts like human being. What are the key components of AI? We have the machine learning, we have the neural language processing, we have the computer vision, and we have the robotic version. And now we are the phobia about the secretarial work, that since there's artificial intelligence now, are we not going to be rendered redundant? Is our world not going to be at stake? Are we going to even be relevant in this generation again? Are we not going to pack up? Though that take us the role of secretaries in the modern workplace. Let me tell you, no matter how this artificial intelligence is being, it cannot totally replace the work of secretary in some areas, because secretary is the life wire of an organization. Secretary thinks for the boss, he attend for the boss, he does so many things for the boss. You can ask me that, do you think that artificial intelligence cannot do that? Yes, of course, it can, but not all. So that takes us to the role of secretary in workplace, especially in this time of downturn. Secretaries have traditionally been the backbone of office operation. They can say the life wire, because they handling everything from appointment, scheduling, and document management, corresponding, communication, facilitation. However, we can say in today's fast-paced digital world, secretarial roles have expanded. Secretaries are now expected to multitask across various domains in terms of strategic planning, not only just booking schedule, not only prepare tea for the boss, not only send an errand for the boss, not only make booking flights for the boss, not only keeping the itinerary or whatsoever, or this impress system. No, it has gone beyond that, because it's a challenge, especially in this shifting period, because secretary has called multitask, and they can operate in so many domains in the office. This shift is driven by technology advancement that have automated routine tasks, leaving secretaries with more time to focus on high-level responsibilities in terms of job analysis, in terms of job description, in terms of job specification. To say the work of secretaries are enormous. As digital tools become more advanced, secretaries are evolving into dynamic administrative professions, mastering not only the basic but also taking on tasks that involve complex data management and business coordination. They coordinate, they organize, they plan, and at the same time they do so many things to make sure that organization achieve their aims and objectives. May I tell you, behind a successful organization or offices today, there is bound to be a backbone called secretary, because they think for the organization. um you can ask me that artificial intelligence continue to make waves in the world of administrative profession, providing the support they need to streamline tasks, especially they assisted the secretary in terms of increasing efficiency and effectiveness, in terms of increasing the skyrocket productivity, because with the work of artificial intelligence, with the assistance of artificial intelligence, it made the work of secretary easier, and not only that, it improve on their work, and it makes them to work at a faster rate. And not only that, what they can achieve within a month before, with the help of this artificial intelligence, they can get it be done within a week. And this has affected, in a wonderful way, and it has improved the work of secretary in an organization. And there is no cause for alarm. We can see today there are some organization, they try to lay off the secretary, but later on they notice that artificial intelligence cannot do everything. And what are the AI tools that assist these secretaries in their working place? AI tools are increasingly transforming secretarial tasks by automating routine activities, enhancing efficiency, and freezing up time for more strategic responsibilities. We have virtual assistant like Google Assistant, like Siri, Alexa, managing calendar, then handling scheduling, set reminders, and perform internet searches. This virtual assistant has assisted secretaries in a wonderful way, because so many things like Google, You don't need to stress themselves unlike those days when we are in school. You have to type, you have to look for textbook, but now they don't need, just click on their google, on their solve the net, the secretary, they are good to go. How about the email management tools like boomerang, like Synbox, schedule email to be sent later, organizes their box by filtering unimportant emails into separate folders, reducing cluster, because gone are those days we have box of folders that are set up there. But because of this, with this AI tool, email management tool is as assisted in shipping, in packing those ones that are needed and the ones that are not in use, and to separate and to save them in a separate places. How about the scheduling and calendar management? Calendar clearer, the work of AI, the work of secretary with the assistance of AI is made the work of secretary effective and easier. And at the same time, document management and processing like DocuSign, Grammarly, all this stuff has assisted the work of management. How about the Grammarly? It enhance document quality by checking the grammar, spelling and styles, conferring suggestions. Give so many suggestions instead of carrying all this bulk of dictionary. The Grammarly will does everything. Even it will proofread, it will giving you by using QuickBooks which one you supposed to use, which one you supposed not to use. Is this flexi you are looking for? Is it the standard you are looking for? Is it the just traditional one you are looking for? This AI tool will do it for you successfully. How about the transcription and note taking? Gone are those days we have to write in shorthand, write and write and write and write, and now look for means of transcribing. At times there are some words that can mess up, that you can mix up there. But the work of this AI tools, transcription, we have a note taking machine that will exactly as it will record the meaning and it will transcribe without giving the secretary any stress. Then AI power chat bots, you can make use of that. We have a live person, we have an intercom, we have the analyst, customer support and rules queries, we have the management basic communication tasks. All this one, they have assisted in no measure to the secretaries efficiency in the organization. What are the benefits of this AI? I will just mention few. We have numerous, many benefits of AI to this secretarial work, especially in this period of artificial intelligence. We have efficiency improvement. It assisted in fact in a wonderful way to improve in terms of, is it Excel you want to type, is it schedule of meeting, is it organizing data, is it compilation of data, is it you want to do presentation. This AI is there. It even follow up calendar, it will follow up, it will tell you automated. It has shift, it has improved from traditional method now to virtual or even to modern office system. At the same time, another benefit of AI to the secretarial work is error reduction. Gone are those you have to see speed and accuracy, ability to type at a faster rate and reduction of error. This artificial intelligence is perfect to do that for you without stressing yourself. Then we have enhanced decision making. This time around, secretary must be must be at alert. What did I mean by her? Because the artificial intelligence will think for them in so many areas before you see. You see so many things on their platform, so many things on their page, so many things that we aim it analyze large data sets for them, quick and efficiency, providing secretary with actionable insight, whether it is understanding pattern in employees productivity or predicting shedding out conflict. And these tools empower secretary to make informed decision based on data, and this has given them a kind of insight that will make them to improve on their work. And what are the challenges? There is no how you have the merit that you have all the merit. There is no how. Actually, some people, this phobia, technological phobia, has made some people to lose their job because they felt that that since the artificial intelligence is involved, what are they looking for? They are not capable of moving forward, and this has caused some challenges in integrating AI with secretarial or secretary's work. The integration of AI into regular work is not without a challenge, as I said. One common concern is the fear that AI will eventually replace human role. Fine, not totally replace, but at least it's improve on human roles and activity, especially in this reality period, especially the work of secretary. It just try to build and to improve on what they knew before. For example, now the part of the fear, if the secretary is not up and doing, that cannot go for more knowledge or to look for more to improve him or herself, it will cause a big problem. Though initially it's price taking, but when it's improved, it can pass through the fear automatically. It will increase and improve the challenge. Is a walkover. Another challenge is the learning curve associated with new artificial intelligence technologies. For secretary who are not familiar with AI, I've said that they need to, because this transition can seem daunting, given secretary's problem. They have to look for and source for additional knowledge in order to go about or to overcome these challenges. And what are the artificial intelligence and data security? It's a big problem, but better you look at it, because you look at, all these have been saving, but how will I do? That is why there should be security. AI become more deeply embedded in secretarial role. Data security remains to top priority, because they need to take care of in time of putting coding, in time of putting security while in saving and coding, so that not just anybody can just open your page, open your system, and be able to take up some of these things that you have been keeping for a while. So that's part of the data. It is very important to keep abreast of the security wise. Then the future of secretary with AI. We have looked at the challenges, we have looked at the benefits. Now we have looked at how to keep data and to keep our data secure. Now what are the future? What is the future of secretarial work with AI? AI continues to evolve, so too will the role of secretary. As AI is improving, the role of secretary also must be improved. They must be at their toes and ready to improve their knowledge. The future promises an even greater integration of AI into the working place, with secretary at the forefront of this transformation. Secretaries will need to develop new skills, I've said that, including data analysis and critical thinking, all these things, and AI management to fully leverage the power of these tools. When they leverage on this power of these tools, it will make their work easier, and not only that, they can have the great future that surely they have a kind of peace of mind that there's no problem. If this AI has already improved on my knowledge. So in the long time, secretary who embrace AI will find themselves in position of greater responsibility and influence, not just mere sitting down and prepare tea for the boss, but at the same time they improve on their work. Conclusively, transforming secretary role by automating routine tasks, enhancing decision making, improving communication. This allows secretaries to focus on more strategic responsibility ahead of them. It's in kind of influential within their organization, and to make them to be relevant in this time of artificial intelligence, and at the same time to know not only relevant, to be at workplace at peak, and they don't need to look for this whatever they call it japa or whatsoever, but they are going to be relevant in this time. Embracing this AI will help secretaries stay relevant and essential in involving modern workplace. AI and automation should be embraced and adopted in administrative, to significantly enhance productivity in secretarial roles. Thank you for listening and God bless you.